How artificial is artificial intelligence? The nexus between cognitive science and artificial intelligence. This is a presentation by Oluwasegun Odetola for the Introduction to Cognitive Science project. Introduction. This presentation is about the interconnectedness of artificial intelligence and cognitive science. Indeed, it has been stated that artificial intelligence has its roots in the cognitive sciences and shares many similarities with the study of cognitive science. Today, artificial intelligence is ubiquitous and is having very impactful effects in the society, from being used in different software applications to improve efficiency, to being used to suggest videos to social media users, to improving workplace efficiency. The increasing impact of artificial intelligence is being felt everywhere the world over. However, artificial intelligence did not just start off as its own branch of technology. Research question. My research thus seeks to answer if artificial intelligence as a science started off on its own or is based on natural biological cognitive intelligence by asking the question, how artificial is artificial intelligence? And thus going further to probe the nexus between cognitive science and artificial intelligence. The importance of this research question is based on the fact that artificial intelligence is being used in every facet of our lives, and understanding its origins is pertinent. However, it must be noted that the development of artificial intelligence was based on the need to develop the capacity of computers or other machines to exhibit or simulate intelligent behavior. Design. I examined the research question by identifying pertinent databases that could contain scholarly articles on the research question, and this served as the pertinent criteria for article selection. I researched databases such as Google Scholar and Science Direct, and I reviewed current literature on cognitive science and artificial intelligence, and limited my review to the following topics: artificial intelligence and cognitive science history, artificial intelligence and cognitive science connections, artificial intelligence imitations, artificial intelligence limitations. Artificial intelligence and cognitive science consciousness, artificial intelligence and cognitive science impact of computation, artificial intelligence and cognitive science future. The journals, articles, and books that were eventually selected were selected based on the criteria stated above and had to be relevant to the research question. Results. Based on the topics identified above, my literature review showed that artificial intelligence is largely based on computational imitation of natural cognitive intelligence, and the improvement of natural processes such as memory, learning, attention, language processing, emotional intelligence, perception, and problem solving, thereby creating such fields as reinforcement learning, computational perception, natural language processing, large language modeling, deep learning, and machine learning by making use of physical computational systems. Conclusion. The results from the literature review into the research question, how artificial is artificial intelligence, show that artificial intelligence is highly reliant on deeper studies of the mind and brain, viz. Natural intelligence, as is currently carried out in cognitive science. With deeper understanding of how the mind and brain work, it will be easier for developers of artificial intelligence systems to better imitate these natural systems and implement their learnings in computational systems. It is thus evident that artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence systems are based on the cognitive sciences, derive their origins from the cognitive sciences, and thus the future of artificial intelligence points to deeper studies of cognitive science, culminating in deepening the new field of cognitive artificial intelligence in a symbiotic relationship. References. Thank you.